Let's start your Christmas meal with something warm, cozy and full of festive flavor. Roasted butternut squash soup with crunchy garlic croutons. It's light, it's satisfying, and it's the perfect way to set the tone for your holiday feast. Let's get cracking. Here's what you'll need. A medium butternut squash, diced and ready to roast, onion and garlic for the savory base, vegetable stock to tie it all together, and some whole grain bread for those golden garlic croutons. Simple ingredients, big flavor. First, preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius, that's 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Toss your butternut squash with a drizzle of olive oil, a pinch of salt and some pepper and some herbs to your liking. Spread it out onto a baking tray so it roasts evenly. Into the oven it goes for 30 to 35 minutes until it's soft and caramelized. That roasting brings out all the natural sweetness, it's what makes this soup special. While the squash is roasting, let's build the base. Heat a splash of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your diced onion and saute for about 5 minutes until it's soft and fragrant. Then in goes the minced garlic, just a minute or two to wake up all the flavor. Once the squash is roasted and smelling amazing, add it to the pot along with your vegetable stock. Bring it all to a boil, then lower the heat and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. This is where everything comes together, sweet, savory and just the right amount of cozy. Now grab your hand blender and blitz it until it's silky smooth. If it's too thick, just add a splash more stock or water. Taste it, season with a bit more salt and pepper if needed, and you've got yourself a soup that's as smooth as Christmas carols on a cold night. For the croutons, cut your bread into cubes and toss them with melted vegan butter and a sprinkle of garlic powder. Spread them out on a tray and toast them in the oven for about 10 minutes until they're golden and crispy. Trust me, these little guys make the soup. Serve the soup warm, topped with a handful of those crunchy garlic croutons, maybe a drizzle of olive oil if you're feeling fancy, and look at that. It's like a hug in a bowl, perfect for kicking off your vegan Christmas feast. And that's your Christmas starter sorted. Roasted butternut squash soup with garlic croutons. Easy, comforting and just festive enough to impress. Give it a go and let me know how it turns out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and check out the blog for more recipes. Merry Christmas!